Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone on your Redmi K70 Ultra phone. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up settings, and then we're going to scroll down to sound and vibration, and here you're going to click on the ringtone, and here you can select a ringtone that you want from all of these ringtones that are available. Or you can just choose your own by clicking choose local and then selecting one of the tones. So for example, audio files. So if you have some audio files downloaded on your phone, they will be appearing right here, and you can select one of those and just exit out, and the next time the ringtone rings, you will hear the sound that you just selected. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.